to show you how I did the wrap from that picture. So I moisturized, combed, detangled, and all that good stuff to my hair. So then I'm going to take my bun and I'm going to put it as high, like towards the middle, as possible. And you're going to make your bun as big as possible. Then I take my bonnet and I put it over my hair. So this protects the hair and makes no friction, and it keeps everything insulated. So you don't wet this as much. So you can see the bonnet a little bit from the back. And then you take your fabric and you want to try to find the middle of the fabric. So the longer the fabric is, that means the more tails you'll have. So the parts that you can bring back to the front and tie up here, if you want long tails. And there's a way, if you have long tails and you want it shorter, there's a way you can do that too. So longer the fabric, the better. This is about 5 feet of fabric by 30 feet. 5.5, I'm sorry. And it's already wet because I wore it today when my hair was deep conditioning. So I find the middle of the fabric, then I can just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I put it behind my ears to kind of make it smoother. Bring it up how I like it. Then I'm going to go in the back and I'm going to start twisting. It doesn't have to be too tight. Just a general twist so that way it looks pretty and neat. I'm going to take it and I'm going to go around my bun. I'm going to take this, which is going to be the tails of my wrap, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to go ahead and put it through the hole. And I'm going to tighten it so we get it to the center. So as you can see, you could just leave it here. Okay, you could just leave it here and then you have beautiful wrap with a tail. But if you want an actual, to bring it around the front to make it look like a handkerchief or any type of decorations, what you would do is you would take it, and you see how these are kind of pretty long still. You take it and you would twist it to kind of shorten it. And you would bring it to the front. And you would take the end pieces, the shorter pieces, and then just clip it right here. You have pretty ruffles right here. If this is still kind of longer than this, what you can do is you take the longer side and kind of just tuck it through again here. And then you can twist it, bring it to the front, and clip it again, and that's going to give you more equal sized ruffles. And you can just twist it, oops, right here in the front. So let me go get a clip. So here's this pin. You can use a clothespin, you can use a brooch, anything to keep these two, oops. You just take it to the front. I would not use this, but this is just for demonstration purposes only. I would take it, and the further you go out, the more it'll cover. So if you want to cover your whole neck, you do it pretty tight. I guess I would call this a faux job, like a faux hijab, but yeah, this is how I did it. And only like one pin necessary to make this look right here. Thank you for watching and bye.